Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjani. And this look is something that's gonna take exactly 10 minutes. Skipping all those talking and stuffs. The makeup part is just 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you. I have applied some serum and moisturizer and a sun protection. Before getting in there, let me start timer. Okay, here it goes. Okay, and now I'm doing my brows. I've taken Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. So I finished my brows. The next thing will be foundation. I'm taking Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Mousse Foundation. Oops. I got 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Clock is ticking. I actually love this foundation. It's just so light and I don't feel a makeup at all. I think this should be good for something to use every day. And it's kind of a natural finish too. It doesn't look too matte or like too dewy. Then I'm gonna apply my concealer. I'm taking Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I got 7 more minutes. Now I'm setting my face with Laura Mercier setting powder. Oops. Now I'm gonna do a simple eye look and I got only 6 more minutes. I've taken the Balm palette and have picked the shade Matte Bernard and I'm blending it in my crease. Oh gosh. I have enrolled in a swimming class and I'm going 4 days in a week. That is every evening from 7:30 to 8. And I practiced a backstroke yesterday. And guess what? My shoulders are hurting like anything. I couldn't feel my shoulders. I couldn't even lift my arm to blend. But it's a nice workout though. more minutes. I think I'm done with my eyes. Now doing my lips now. I couldn't find my mascara. There you go. So I've taken Marc Jacob mascara and I think I'll go with no liner lip today. Oops. Ignore my kids in the background. I think we're done. I got one more minute. I'll go for highlighter. A little bit of highlighter. I think I'm done. Oh, setting spray. We're done. Look at the time. Yep. I got 30 more seconds left, but I'm done. Yay! So, with this time, I think I can do my liner or add some blush, whatever. I think I'll go for the liner, I guess, but not today. There you go. Cancel. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it's super fast. If I can, I think you can do too. So do try. And it's just a very simple day-to-day look, so do try at home. Make sure you switch on the timer before doing it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And what should I say? Yes, if you didn't subscribe, please take a moment to subscribe. Okay, then I'll see you soon with some brand new tutorial. Until then, bye. Have a great day.